Carrots and cloves create a spice-sweet aromatic soup. If you like the flavour of cloves in bread sauce and mulled wine, you may love this soup. For a more traditional carrot soup, just leave out the cloves. All other parts of the recipe stay the same. Carrots are one of those vegetables that taste so much better with a more intense carrot taste when grown at home. However, carrot fly can be a problem, so growing in big pots to keep the flies away is another option. Celeriac is a bulbous vegetable. It is the same family of vegetable as celery, but is far easier to grow. I use celeriac as a substitute to celery in soups to help add flavour to the stock. Hello, I'm Liam and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. Carrots are the main ingredient in the soup, but celeriac, onions, cloves and bay leaves also add flavour. For speed, I used 1 stock cube for the stock. Start by peeling the carrots, discard any discoloured tops and tails, and chop them into 1 cm pieces. Celeriac can be a little harder to cut, but the skin is soft enough to use a normal vegetable peeler. Chop the celeriac into similar sized chunks as the carrots. I used 2 small onions. The first onion is for the cloves. Top and tail the onion and remove the dry outer skin, but do not chop it up. Instead, push the cloves into the onion. This makes it easy to remove the cloves after cooking. The second onion is chopped in the usual way. The last step in preparation is to make the stock. 1 stock cube is enough for the soup as the other ingredients are full of flavour. Pour the stock into a large pan and add all the prepared ingredients. The carrots, celeriac, the onion studded with cloves, bay leaves and chopped onion. The soup is now ready for cooking. Place the soup over a high heat and bring to the boil. When boiling, turn the heat down and allow the soup to simmer for about 15 minutes. The pot smells lovely thanks to the flavour released by the cloves. At the end of the cooking time, I like to check that the vegetables are fully softened, either by eating or by checking that a fork pushes easily inside. Before blending, the cloves and the bay leaves need to be removed using a slotted spoon. Keeping the onion whole makes this much easier, as it does not fall apart during cooking. Once the cloves are removed, the onion can be chopped and added back into the soup. The soup takes a minute or 2 to blend with a handheld blender, and during blending will turn a distinctive burnt orange colour thanks to the carrots. The soup has a lovely thick consistency. I suggest preparing and eating the soup on the same day. To best enjoy the sweet flavour given by the cloves, the soup can be stored in the fridge for several days, but this is at the risk of losing the aromatic clove flavour. If you like making enough soup to enjoy over a few days, it may be better to leave out the cloves and follow the same recipe for a more traditional carrot soup. The soup is delicious either way. To see the latest videos, sign up to receive the free newsletter. Visit homecoffeeshop.co.uk, there is a link below the video, and sign up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.